Last time we met, we're in a sticky little situation. The Joker just told his crew that I killed 15 of his men, and they need to make sure that I don't let it happen again. See, Joker wants him stopped.
Don't make me hit you again.
So he's on that floor. I start taking him out. Floor.
Tell us where she went.
What if he's low enough where I can hang and kill him?
Hook man belongs to me.
Find out.
Did I not mention he's probably on his way?
Oh shit.
Stop it.
I only saw the one guy up there. Well, we all knew that first part was going to happen like that. Oh, Mark Hamill. All right, we're going to do this again.
Hit him again. Harder. You're gonna need more than that. Why you? Get Joker on the radio. Tell him he's not talking. Tell us where the bitch went. Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen your tongue.
And you don't want to find out how she does it. She can do her work. I ain't talking. Period.
Remember this Cash guy's playing tough talk.
Is that the cop? The he's one of the correctional officers, right?
He sounded tough though, you know what I mean? Like, she could do her worst, man. See? I'm not saying anything, see? Oh, wait a minute. Sides. It's over there.
She wouldn't help you.
We can make the pain stop. Let you go.
If Batman tries to take cash off of us,
There was a way I could bat claw him.
Don't make me hit you again.
Pretty sure the game wants you to do stealth right now. All right?
But what? I get it. But I'm trying to say, like, what is the best way? Look how much I'm surrounded. I'm like, all right, how stealthy can one be? So that means I would have to maybe go here.
I would say go to the other gargoyle, all the way down to the other. If it was me.
All the way to this end?
Yeah, that one. Or that one.
And then what?
Okay,
See how far down it is? Yeah. Well, I can start with this one. That's why I feel like they all are. They're all pretty far.
Come on. What's she
That guy
you
over there
anyway?
is probably like he's about to walk down the stairs. Or wait,
no one's coming.
Maybe he's gonna come back this way.
Hookman hostage.
we gotta pick him up as they walk under the things. Yeah. You know this guy.
Sir,
I can sit here all
inverted takedown. I'm just waiting.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Oh, he just lets him go? That was awesome.
I think it freaks all the other ones out.
Who's closest to me? Oh shit, he saw me. Well. Yeah. Well.
Now we know.
All right.
That loser didn't stand a chance. I mean, look at me.
All right, Joker. All right, so once I do that guy, the guy comes up the stairs. I was trying to just get there. Maybe I need to watch their movement pattern a little bit.
Hit him again. Harder. You're gonna need more than that. Why? Get Joker. Tell him he's not talking.
tell us where the bitch went.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Telling.
Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon.
Movie Batman. You think this one
And
looks
you
like?
don't want to find out how
This one?
she does it.
Yeah.
She can do
The way I'm playing, fucking Michael Keaton, because I'm not stealthy. I'm so stiff. He's definitely not Christian Bale.
Tell us where she went.
So,
Hook man belongs
I mean, that guy's right in the middle, though. I feel like, where am I going to go?
Did I not mention
Like, as soon as I take care of him, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel like I need to be in the corner.
You can stop him.
Cash off of us, I'll shoot him right between.
think he knocks these guys out, right? Like, does the inverted takedown?
Unless I go down behind him, but I feel like
I mean, when you do that, like, you're screaming so the other guys come to check on you. If you're still in there.
oh, you know what it is? They got that collar on. Maybe it's talking about. So once I kill them, they're all gonna know that I did it. All right, so I got to be ready to. Jesus, there's got to be something that I'm missing because it can't just like.
Oh, if you guys weren't so stupid, I'd recommend picking up a book.
I got to think of something because you know what I mean. So you hear what they were talking about with that collar earlier?
Yeah.
Once the heart rate goes down, it lets everybody know.
I'll cut off Cash's other hand if he tries anything funny.
Well, let's find out.
Hey, get off me!
Look at this.
Ah!
Get out of there.
Shit. Oh, damn.
Hit him again! Harder! You're gonna need more than that. Why, you... Get Joker on the radio. Tell him he's not talking.
Tell us where the bitch went.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is on her way up here soon. She knows ways to loosen your tongue.
And you don't want to find out how she does it. You can do it worse. I ain't talking. Period.
Worst. A lot of tough talk. You need to go back there, buddy.
Tell us where she
It all starts with you.
Oh, if you guys weren't so stupid, I'd recommend picking up a book or two. Still, suppose I don't pay you for your smarts, do I? I pay you to stop the bat. So don't disappoint me.
Don't let the guard escape. I get
Sure,
it.
Eric's like, I would have passed this half hour ago.
I love that he's leaving comments on the videos now, though, too.
I love it. Everyone should do it more.
That man's as good as dead.
Oh, that's the last thing you're gonna say, buddy. I'm not gonna lie. Am I as good as dead?
Nothing else. What are you doing? Ah!
Oh, so you lucky.
Lucky fuck.
Seriously. Alright, where is it, buddy? Those two are down there.
Hold up. I'm coming with you.
I gotta find a better way to kill these guys, because I'm down, they just fucking I gotta figure out, or maybe I'm not pressing the right button, because I was pressing the other buttons while they're down and it just
Press
wasn't
start real
stopping
quick.
them.
Let me see. Objectives, there's no options or anything like that. Never mind.
Find Dr. Young and her notes. Has anyone actually checked
Look it up on the interwebs.
You guys are all grouped up there, so I'm not fucking with you guys. Okay. Alright guys, split it up.
Come on, find him. There's no room full of books. How hard can it be?
It's just a room full of books. Alright, you guys are over there. Stay over there while I take care of this guy. I'm going for it.
I see him. I see him. He's up
Nope.
there. Above us.
So that's the thing. Even if I hit him, I got to get the fuck out of there fast. You know what I mean? Because I went to glide kick that guy, and I just got to start paying attention to their comments because he obviously saw me. And I fucking got out of there.
Wait up. I'll watch your back.
decided to stay up.
I gave you a
Oh, you want to be all there by yourself, buddy?
time. Make cash talk, find Dr. Young, and turn nose.
Dummy. You're by yourself, man. Sorry.
Hey, get off me!
I kick somebody?
Yep.
When on the ground, press triangle. It does like that. Knockout.
Okay. I'll try again. I felt like I was doing it. Maybe I was. Obviously, probably wasn't pressing it.
This is an old game. It's probably fidgety.
All right. So I got those two. All right. Take my time. I got this. I got this. Two there. That guy's all by himself downstairs. Everybody over there. No, he's on the other side. How close are you guys?
Come on, boys, he's just one man. One man dressed like a lunatic and armed with a key. Go get him!
He's too scared. He doesn't even know I was breathing on him. Alright, come on. Somebody be alone. Oh, you're gonna be my guy. I'm after you, sir. Come on up. Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
Sure, there used to be more of you down there.
Another guy down. I think it might be just those two. I think so. Down there. Yep. Oh, no. There's three. That guy looks like he wants it. He looks like he wants it.
Jumps down.
It's alright. They're all down there together. I gotta wait for them to separate. Condition is they're nervous.
Batman, can you hear me? Show yourself!
Oh, okay.
I want your back.
Poor guy. You have no clue what just happened to you. That was not the button. Oh, there was a triangle. Didn't. Oh. All right, get out of there. A little sloppy, but we got two. All right, well, I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, see, I'm pressing triangle. There's just two of them. There you go. Time. Crap.
Over here.
Yeah, gotcha. Whew.
Thanks.
Jesus.
Where did
Yeah.
Dr. Young go?
I told her to run.
The mug.
He's like, what's up?
I told her to go to her office.
I like shrimp.
Does she keep her record?
Little fried
Bubba,
shrimp.
Bubba shrimp.
Popcorn shrimp.
Get in there. Her office is over there.
How long ago was this?
Why is your mouth out like
This
that?
seems racist, right? Is it?
Purposefully.
This is a hate crime.
This is more like they did that on purpose.
Do better, Rocksteady Games.
That makes sense. Stay here. I'm going.
Why do you give him that jaw? That Cro-Magnon man. If they had his skull, it's that old school gorilla looking fucking. Oh my god. Oh,
Hello. If anyone is
where did I just go?
please respond.
Oh.
What's wrong with this thing? Hello. Anyone there?
You just like disappearing when you're not looking. You know, that's what he does. They just never show that. Like Gordon will always like look away and will look back and Batman's gone. But that's what happens.
That's what he does?
Yeah.
I gotta talk to this guy, Zach.
I should have seen the signs.
That's it? That's all you got for me? Loser. All right, where you at to
They
now?
definitely break that guy. These are prison inmates.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta go over there. All right, I'm gonna go through that.
This is security officer Cash.
Turn around.
Have encountered armed inmates. Please respond.
Go in the right direction. Go my map. Oh yeah, up there to the right.
Arkham Control, do you copy? Over.
Amadeus go mad, or is he just dizzy? I don't know, Riddler. I know you're stupid, but
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew working on the doctor as I speak. They'll squeeze the formula out of us soon enough. Not to mention the army of clowns ripping
bat strength.
one way or another, the formula will be mine. Why don't you just give up? Go on, roll over and die for once. Be your best friend.
Oh, there's a door right there. Where do you go? Door's blocked, of course. What direction am I heading?
Through that door.
I
Maybe the other
gotta
way around.
Yeah, let me see. That's gated. Oop. Oop. Maybe on my detective mode. What are you guys doing over here? Hey guys. Oh, you're through the wall.
Hello.
I don't think it's a different one. I'm in a different part of the room, yeah. See, I'm like, gotta go back up.
Yeah, you got back through the door you just came from.
Or maybe there's a different way. Oh, that's where I went from, right? That's where I was earlier.
This is where you're supposed to go, I think. Check the map one more time.
Things that I'm missing.
Yeah, because you're supposed to
Yeah.
go over there.
Let's see what's open. All right, let's do this. All right. Open up there. This is the way we're supposed to go. Let me see what's down this way. Nope, nope. Anything up here? Speakers. Oh. It's locked. So I'm supposed to go there. I'm missing something. Maybe I gotta go back in there and find it. I don't know. Because I was in here. So we just did this. Maybe not.
Are you in here? Check the map one more time.
Yeah, I'm in a whole nother room. There's something in here. I really hope there's a Riddler trophy. I mean, what is that? This is books and books. Ooh, what's on this wall? Anyway, all right. Let's go upstairs. Come on, come in. Oh, no. No, can't open it. All right. Damn it. Boom. Okay. I feel like this is a place where I battle somebody,
This is where you're supposed to go, yeah. Probably.
right? This looks Looks like if I can get down with the get down.
Yeah. Or just practices here by himself.
It's not gonna open.
Hold on. I think I've got it.
He said that 10 minutes ago.
You could be the one.
The fact that it triggered.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
It'll be open any second. Damn it.
You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means.
Quiet. Just shut up. I'm trying. I'm trying.
He ain't got all night. We're running out of time.
What are you guys talking about? Yeah. But I could batarang him.
Boss wants results. We're running out of time.
You wanna try? It's not moving.
Kill.
Here! Keep hitting him! You okay?
Yeah. Joke. Dude, how my energy getting that low? Come on. Ugh. I love how all his henchmen are all shirtless.
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office. It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in.
All right, all right. I see a little vent again. Boom. Yeah, pull that shit down. Just use that all the time, bro.
Everything.
Yeah,
right?
just fucking backlaw everything.
The remote controls across the other end of the couch.
Yeah.
You just fucking-
Yeah, I mean, for real, at the end of the day, you have that around your belt for a reason, right?
Yeah. You spend all your money on this fucking tech to not use it.
Find my way in the room. I'm here.
Someone has already got to the safe.
Ruh-roh.
The only question now is who opened
Who opened it? Great
No
detective
sign of
question.
forced Entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination.
Maybe it was Dr. Young. Maybe she saw it coming because she's a wicked smart girl.
Good. Dr. Young got to her notes
Ah!
before Joker. She's
Knew it.
taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them.
Maybe Dr. Young's suspect. I slayed a forensic trail. Sounds pretty serious. Completed. Wicked smart. I am wicked smart.
I'm on Dr. Young's trail. I've had to calibrate the scanner to only show recent prints.
A lot of jizz.
If I follow these, I will find her or
So basically, with my bat sight, I got her fingerprint.
The GCP
Now I'm gonna look for that fingerprint everywhere in this mansion.
It was full of marzipan and kittens.
as I thought. It's just a twisted diversion.
Mm,
The real action's on Arkham.
got it. I'm just finding things everywhere. There's something there. Everywhere there's a question. Should I go up to it? I'm assuming. What are we looking at? Or maybe that's my guide. Should I follow the question? Oh. Gosh, it's so open it up.
Go back through
Guess so. Let's see. I mean, all this stuff is there. Do I have to go through there?
Well, looks like one of them's on the other side of the door, right?
Yeah. Let's find out. Can I open up any one of these? Nope. Cobwebs. Oh, no one cleans these vents, huh?
Joker was right. He's over there.
Saw that coming a mile away.
Get him on the ground and stomp on his face! Get him on the ground and stomp on his face! Don't let him hit you!
Yeah, magic dust. Yeah, exactly. Ah, now you see me? Now you can't. Oh, right in the back. Come on, bring it again. Oh, forgot. I can't do that to you. Oh, come on. You can't kill Batman like that.
Gotta say, I thought you'd last longer.
Whatever, you're not my girlfriend.
Joker was right. He's over there.
Get him on the ground and stomp on his face!
That's just rude.
Smash you into pieces!
I like this room. It's a little more lit up. Let's go. Yeah, yeah.
Hit him again! Jeez! You're gonna bleed out your face! Okay, buddy?
Ooh, somebody caught a John Jones elbow. Boom. Take that, Kane. All right.
Patient interview 1. Patient was referred to me and
Oh, that's in your interview. Thank you.
he appears to have suffered a breakdown of sorts. As leak was brought about after
Scarecrow.
his wife and child
Right. She's been here.
has been unable
The bat sensor said so.
to observation shows little mental activity.
Been there too.
The shock of what he saw triggered his mental collapse.
There's someone in here! It's him. We found him. Right down the door.
I can't see. Can I scan it?
As ever, it is difficult to continue my research.
Yep. Remember, like last time, I think somebody, whoever it was, we were following all their cigarette trail. Yeah.
We found them. Someone get him in.
Oh.
God, what's he done to us?
Oh. It's another Riddler joke. What's here? Anything? I know someone's going behind me. Just checking everything. Ooh. How do I get up there so I can do that? Ooh, yeah. That blows up. How do I do that? Let's see. How do I do that? Can I aim that far? I'm aiming for it. Oh, that'd be cool. I can't go there. Yeah. Yeah. That'd be pretty cool. Like Super Soaker spray gel.
Yeah.
I see you there. Are you back here somewhere? Anything? Nope. Oh, climb. Oh, back to where I was. Okay, cool. All right, let's follow the trail of bodies. All right. Dr. Young's fingerprints. All right. Something tells me I should go in here. Yeah, I'm so strong. Oh, me bat, me man. Safe place. What is this? Maybe. Let's see where. Fingerprints are in there. Yeah. So, see any more as I get them, yeah. There you go. It light up. There we go. This way, yep, I guess so. Okay. All right, I see you. Yeah. Good dog following the scent. All right, here we go. Something big's about to happen.
It just knock you out of detective mode?
Yep.
Okay.
Boom. Let's find out.
I gotta check each floor.
Can't do anything with that. Yep, it's still electric. In case you're wondering, folks. Still electric. It's a better angle to get to the next floor.
You already on the bottom floor?
Yeah, that was our initial floor. Yeah. No fingerprints. Electric. It doesn't make sense. She wouldn't have gone all the way up here, right?
Yeah.
No. Try to see. All right.
Bottom?
Yeah, I don't think she'd make it up this way. Do I need to talk to these guys? Oh,
Right there.
is there a book here? Oh, searching.
Nope.
There's a note.
See, we'll get this little bit of plot and call it an episode.
Yeah.
Wait, so does that mean you've stopped Joker?
It's never this simple with him.
Exactly. Ooh, what was that? What'd you burn?
What's that you got there, Bats? No, not the formula. What am I going to do? Who can help me now?
Well,
What's that? How about our old friend Zaz?
Zaz.
I did bump into him on the way back from the gardens, when no doubt he was acting out some twisted fantasy. Maybe he could get her talking? I think he probably can. Great plan, Bats.
Rescue. Talk to these guys.
I
What do
heard
you?
a voice on one of the radios. It sounded like they were being told to meet in the warden's office.
All right, guess I'm going to the warden's office. All right, next Bat Channel Mix Bat episode.
Yeah, guys.
Warden's office it is.
Yeah. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Thanks for hanging along for the ride again, guys.
Yep. Subscribe. We got more content coming all the time. Yeah, leave us a like. It helps us out.
Yeah, we're gonna batarang you soon.